Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I will be walking you through how to fix full version of YouTube is out of date error. So let's begin. The first step that I want you to take is open your app store in your iPhone. Then on the search bar search for YouTube. And try updating your YouTube if your YouTube is not updated yet. Now, here comes the second step. On the second step, what I want you to do is launch your settings and select General. Then tap on iPhone storage and search for YouTube. Select Offload app. Here, the third and foremost step to fix this is try deleting and reinstalling your YouTube. Doing this, I'm very sure that you'll have your issue fixed. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and also leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.